AEW, perhaps forever.
We are opening up this telecast with a 10-man, count it, 10-man tag. And here are the partners for members of the Death Riders.
Hey, big girl. Brother Nigel told me too. That's how you treat the dogs, baby. Welcome to the dog girl. Time to go to work then. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Joining them at a combined weight of 426 pounds, Clark Connors and David Finlay, the Dog.
Yes, it's going to be David Finlay, Clark Connors teaming with Claudio Castagnoli, Pac, and the AEW Continental Champion, Jon Moxley. That is on one side.
Quite a scary, frightening quintuplet. 2/3 of the dogs. David Finlay, 100%, 100 proof Clark Connors. Finlay, the first ever fourth generation wrestler. The calm to Gabe Kid's storm. Kid, of course, out injured now. They said one dog down. Well, the rest of